we've been recording in single track editor till now. Now let's just see how to record in a multi-track editor. In order to use a multi-track editor to record, I'm going to create a new multi-track session right here. I'm going to press OK, press yes. I just created a new file, and over here you can see that I got a multi-track. In order to record, I can simply press the R key right here. The R, that's arm for record. Let me just press that. And you can hear the voice. So let me just record it. This is a recording done in Multitrack Editor. So now I'm going to disable the recording over here, and you stop hearing the echo. So here you can see that that my voice has been recorded in this layer right here. If I want to record my voice in two layers at once, although that is not really something you may want to do. Anyways, if you want to record it here and here, you can see that you can record it in both layers. So it is recorded in both layer now. So now I'm gonna disable this because I don't want to hear any echo. So you can see that this is how you can record tracks right there. And in order to edit any of it, you can just double click, go into single track editor, and then edit as well. So that is how you can record using the multi-track editor. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.